Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's time for another unboxing. We've got 6 sealed cases of 2026 Car Culture Power Trip. I'm hoping we can score a little chase, the BMW in here. I don't know if we're going to, but we're going to crack all of these open for you. Take a look, see what's in there. After that, we're going to go ahead and crack each one of these cars because the cars in this set they're all epic. So we'll put them on the turntable and check them all out here at the end. So let's dive right in. All right, first box. There is no gold in there, guys. But let's just pull each one of these cars out and just look at it before we crack them. The 2008 Benz CLK 63 in white. That is looking super. I like that one a lot. I like all of them, guys. So it's going to be a recurring theme here. And that SVT Lightning in black. That's going to make for an awesome keychain. All the other colors I've had, the blue, the silver, the red, all sold really good as keychains. And you know, I am a super fan of Mustangs and Fox bodies. So that silver Fox is looking nice. I like that one a lot. And a little Hellcat Track Hawk. The Beast with the Hellcat engine there. In a very nice red. And the BMW, guys. Look at that M3. Oh, that looks so good. I even like that color interior they have on that one. So, yes. Those are the cars of the Power Trip. We're going to get all these other ones opened and cross our fingers. Hopefully there's some gold in there. Hopefully. Next one up. You see any gold? No. No gold. Next. Gold. We're digging for gold, guys. I don't see any gold in that one. We are not doing good so far. Next up. So guys, I bought 3 cases from A&J Toys out of Kansas City, and then my other 3 cases were from House of Cars, Virginia. So far, we have not hit anything. There's no gold in that one either. No gold. Well, 1 case left, guys. What do you think? Think there's gold in the last one? Probably not if you're playing the odds. But at least every car in this set is epic in my eyes. Six sealed cases, 0 gold, guys. But we have some epic cars nonetheless. So we're going to go ahead and crack each one of those and show you the detail on these things. All right, first crack, BMW. Check that green out on that thing. Not a big fan of that color of green, the darker green, but it looks good with that interior. Decent wheel choice. Yeah, really dig that one. So we will crack the Trackhawk next. Take a look at that guy. I like the black wheels on that one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Very cool. Like that one, like it a lot. Hopefully they do this one in some more colors. You'll have to let me know in the comments, guys. Have they done this as a premium in other colors already and I just missed it? I think some black or whites would be nice in this style. Alright guys, now time to crack the SVO Fox body. I don't know why they don't do like the newer style Fox body, like the 85 through, when did they start that style? I think it was maybe 86. Actually do the non-SVO, do the regular old Fox body. I think that would be a better look in these castings. Because the SVOs, you know, they're alright, the 4-cylinder, but everybody wants the 5.0. The 5.0 GT is where it's at, guys. But that looks pretty decent in silver. Alrighty, next is the Lightning. It's probably my favorite one out of the pack. All 5 of these, it's probably the Black Lightning. Nothing wrong with a good 90s short box Ford. Nice little lightning graphic there. Those deep dished wheels on the back. I like that. Super nice casting. Let me know in the comments, guys, what your favorite one of this set is. Alright, last one of the set to crack here. The CLK. It looks good in white. The AMG CLK 63. Alright guys, here is the set, the Power Trip 2026 Car Culture. Let me know in the comments, like I said, what your favorite one of the set is. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. We'll have another Hot Wheels hunt video coming out, and some more unboxings. Have a good one.